Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Very simple way logo design with V and D text. At first, get outline text, ungroup it, release compound path. Now, select V and create outline. Change the color, arrange, bring to front. Now, this V adjust perfectly. Select those and take Show Builder tool and discuss unnecessary parts. Select this and change the color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.